أعزائي طلبة وطالبات الصف الأول الثانوي. Today we are going to study the if conditional. We will begin with zero conditional with if. First, read these examples and note the use of zero conditional with if. If we heat ice, it melts. If a good student studies hard, he gets high marks. An applicant gets a good job if he has good qualifications. Note that we use zero conditional with if to express something which is always true, or to express a fact or a routine. For example, if I feel tired, I always sleep early. If I have free time, I usually watch TV with my family. Zero conditional with if plus present simple, or present simple if, present simple. For example, plants die if they are not watered. We can always use when or whenever instead of if. For example, an applicant gets a good job when he has good qualifications. Now we are going to study the first conditional with if. Read the sentence first. If she works hard, she will pass the test. If Saber goes to an interview, he should wear nice clothes. If you speak English well, you may get this job. If you come first in the English test, I will give you this good camera. If I win the gold medal, I will be very famous. I won't lend you any money if you insist on spending it carelessly. We use the first condition with if to express real or very probable situation in the present or future. And if with present simple, will, can, may, or should plus infinitive, or will, can, may, should infinitive if present simple. For example, I won't lend you any money if you insist on spending it carelessly. There are other ways to express the first condition with if. For example, if I call you on your mobile, come to my office. Here we use the if present simple imperative, or imperative if present simple. For example, don't spend that money if you don't have any left. Note that unless means if not. For example, unless you come first in the test, I want to give you this good camera. Unless he calls you, don't come to his office. Unless you come first in this test, I want to give you this good camera. It means that if you don't come. Unless he calls you, it means if he doesn't call you. If he doesn't call you. Also we use provided plus present simple well infinitive. For example, provided you study harder, you will come first in the test. Also we can use as long as instead of if. For example, you can have my car as long as you have a driving license. Also we can use should plus subject plus infinitive instead of if. For example, should I call you on your mobile? Come to my office. Should he receive my call, he will come immediately. And note that. And now we are going to study the second conditional with if. Study this sentence first. If we took the car, we would pay for parking. I could watch the film if they showed it on television. He would buy this yacht if he had £1,000,000. If I were you, I would listen to the weather forecast before the picnic. The second condition with if is used to express unreal present or to express imaginary situations in the present and therefore are likely to happen in the present or future. We also use the second condition with if to give an advice. For example, if I were you, I would plus infinitive. Like, you look very tired. If I were you, I would see a doctor. Note that if plus past simple, would, could, or might plus infinitive, or would, could, might plus infinitive if past simple. And thank you.